번데기 앞에서 주름 잡는다.
Literal translation: folding wrinkles in front of a pupa. Similar English: teaching fish how to swim.
번데기 앞에서 주름 잡는다. 번데기
Means pupa or chrysalis.
앞에서
In front of
주름
means wrinkle.
잡는다.
Means to fold or to crease in this context.
잡다.
Is a verb that has various meanings, so I will create a video about
잡다.
to reflect its diverse range of meanings. The proverb suggests that we should concentrate on more important matters, rather than losing focus by paying too much attention to trivial issues.
번데기 앞에서 주름 잡는다.
Folding wrinkles in front of a pupa.
윗물이 맑아야 아랫물이 맑다.
Literal translation: if the upper stream is clear, the lower stream will be clear as well. Similar English from the pure spring: pure water flows.
윗물 맑아야 아랫물 맑다. 윗물
Upper stream is a combination of the following words.
위 물 위
Is a particle for the subject.
맑아야
Is the conditional form of to be clear or to be pure.
아랫물
Lower stream is a combination of the following words.
아래 물 맑다.
Means to be clear or to be pure. The proverb underscores the importance of setting a positive example and providing good guidance for those who look up to us, as it will have a ripple effect on their behavior and mindset.
윗물이 맑아야 아랫물이 맑다.
If the upper stream is clear, the lower stream will be clear as well.
불난 집에 부채질한다.
Literal translation: fanning the flames in a burning house. Similar English: add fuel to the fire.
불, 집, 부채질, 불,
Means fire.
지난,
Is from
지난다.
which means happened or occurred.
집,
Means house.
왜,
Is a particle indicating direction or location.
부채질,
From
부채,
fan,
질,
the act of. Means fanning.
한다.
Means to do. The proverb serves as a warning against aggravating an already difficult situation, as it may lead to even more severe consequences or damage.
불난 집에 부채질한다.
Fanning the flames in a burning house.
고생 끝에 낙이 온다.
Literal translation: there is a reward at the end of hardship. Similar English: no pain, no gain.
고생,
Hardship:
끝에,
at the end of.
낙이,
Reward.
온다.
This sentence follows the structure of
A 끝에 B가 온다.
in Korean, which means B comes at the end of A. The proverb emphasizes the idea that perseverance, in the face of difficulty and hardship, will eventually lead to a positive outcome or reward. It suggests that it is important to remain patient and work hard, even when faced with challenges or setbacks.
고생 끝에 낙이 온다.
There is a reward at the end of hardship.
꽝 대신 닭.
Literal translation: a chicken instead of a pheasant. Similar English: taking the next best thing.
꽝,
Pheasant
대신,
instead of
닭.
chicken. The phrase follows the structure noun 1 daishin noun 2, where
대신,
translates to instead of, suggests that it is better to choose a more achievable and immediate option than to pursue something more difficult or distant. In a broader sense, it encourages choosing a more practical and feasible approach to achieve success, rather than taking on a challenging or risky endeavor.
꽝 대신 닭.
A chicken instead of a pheasant.
다 된 죽에 코풀기.
Literal translation: blow your nose into the finished porridge. Similar English: beating a dead horse.
죽,
Soup.
코풀기.
Blowing. In essence, the sentence is structured as modifier object, location predicate,
다 된,
past tense of done, meaning already finished or beyond repair.
왜,
Is a location marker meaning on. The phrase is often used to criticize someone who is trying to fix a hopeless situation, or to ridicule someone who is making unreasonable efforts.
다 된 죽에 코풀기. 소 잃고 외양간 고친다.
Literal translation: to fix the cowshed after losing the cow. Similar English closing the barn door after the horse has bolted.
소,
Kale.
잃고,
Lost.
외양간,
Cowshed.
고친다.
Fix repair. The phrase
효소 잃고 외양간 고친다.
is a connected sentence, consisting of two verbs connected by the conjunction.
읽고,
It follows a subject-verb-verb structure. The subject is implied and can be interpreted as someone or people. Based on the context, this proverb implies that one should prepare and avoid problems before they occur, and not wait until it's too late to take action.
소 잃고 외양간 고친다. 콩 심은 데 콩나고 팥 심은 데 팥난다.
Literal translation. Beans grow where beans are planted, and red beans grow where red beans are planted. Similar English. As one sows, so shall he reap.
콩,
Bean,
팥,
red bean,
심은 데
planted,
나다.
go. The sentence
콩 심은 데 콩나고 팥 심은 데 팥난다.
consists of two related independent clauses, connected by
읽고,
conjunction. These two clauses follow the simple subject-verb-object structure, each containing a subject, a verb, and an object. This saying suggests that the outcome or result of one's actions or choices is directly related to the actions or choices themselves, implying the importance of making good decisions and taking responsibility for one's choices.
콩 심은 데 콩나고 팥 심은 데 팥난다. 돼지 목에 진주 목걸이.
Literal translation: a pearl necklace on a pig's neck. Similar English: casting pearls before swine.
돼지,
Pig.
목,
Neck.
진주,
Pearl.
목걸이.
Necklace. The phrase
돼지 목에 진주 목걸이.
consists of a subject and an object, following a slightly different sentence structure than in Korean. This sentence structure is commonly used in specific expressions or proverbs.
돼지 목에 진주 목걸이.
Is a phrase that describes a situation where something valuable or precious is wasted on someone who cannot appreciate or understand its worth.
돼지 목에 진주 목걸이. 서단계 3년이면 풍어를 읊는다.
Literal translation: even a dog that goes to the village school for 3 years can recite poetry. Similar English: practice makes perfect.
서단계.
Gay, village school.
3년이면
After 3 years,
풍어를 읊는다.
the sentence
서단계 3년이면 풍어를 읊는다.
is a simple and straightforward sentence. The structure is subject verb time expression consequence. The sentence conveys the idea that with persistence and dedication, anyone can acquire skill and knowledge, no matter their initial circumstances.
서단계 3년이면 풍어를 읊는다.